Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Looking at Apple on the daily and weekly time frame. So the technology sector has hit its 10th green day in a row. It was a bearish reversal candlestick today, showing a little bit of weakness. So we will be watching tomorrow to see if we're going to confirm that consolidation. And in my opinion, Apple is not going to see much movement to the downside. And if it does see movement to the downside, it will be very contained unless we see the technology sector pull back with it. So as of right now, we still have a higher low pattern intact. This is the 12th day in a row. It's an inside candlestick showing a tightening range, and we're reaching an equilibrium, and a break is coming tomorrow. A break of 134.84, we break the higher low pattern, and the bears show control in the short term, and a break of 135.90, and we're looking back at the all-time high. So it's a very important day tomorrow, and like I said, if the technology sector sees weakness, I would absolutely anticipate a bearish break and further consolidation on Apple to end the week. The weekly chart pretty much is going to have to see a close around the mid to lower $134 range in order to be a bearish reversal inverted hammer on the weekly time frame, because as of right now, the bulls are still in full control, not a significant upper wick at all, and looking very strong. So it's going to be all about that technology sector as a whole and the higher low pattern on the daily time frame for Apple. Today on the 5-minute time frame, the high of the day was set on the first candlestick. We saw a dump. The low of the day was hit 134.84, a lower high, double bottom, 134.84 support holding twice, another lower high, and then there's your bull break, breaking the lower high pattern after that double bottom. After that, there was really very limited trading opportunity, just a sideways channel. And we've seen this time and time again with Apple, with all the action in the morning in the first 45 minutes, and then all afternoon, pretty much middle of the day to the afternoon, it's just very limited trading opportunity and very sideways trading. So that is the continued pattern at this point. Apple did lose the hourly 20-period moving average, and the bulls are struggling to get back over it. A lot of these hourly candlesticks in the afternoon today rejecting back from that level at 135.40. So if the bulls can't get over the 20-period hourly moving average, we will very likely break that higher low pattern and see consolidation. And again, if you're looking to play Apple bearish, I don't anticipate there to be significant pullback unless we see the technology sector get some significant pullback as well. So definitely watching the 2 of those names, XLK and Apple, because they have both been on absolute fire the last 10 days in a row. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in to wrap up the week tomorrow. Definitely looking to the downside more so than the upside, but we need to see some clear signal that the bears are showing up with some strength.